Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Wow!
Happy birthday, Tita!
Yay!
Yay!
Hello, Ate Gina. Happy birthday! Una po sa lahat, sobra po akong nagpapasalamat sa iyo dahil sa suporta at pagmamahal niyo po sa akin. And thank you din po dahil ikaw yung kauna-unahang gifter ko dito sa YT World simula nung nagka-monetize ako. Actually, dalawa kayo ni Ate Proud Mom that time, pero ikaw yung first honor na nagpapakulay ng aking live stream. Thank you so much, Ate, for always sharing your blessings to me, and you're so generous and kind-hearted person. Salamat din po dahil tinuring niyo po akong kaibigan o kapatid. Ang babait niyo po sa akin kahit minsan tapakin ako. Siguro isa lang po yung wish ko para sa iyo, Ate. I wish you good health. May you blessed with good health always po. Para mas marami ka pa pong matutulungan ng mga tao. Thank you so much, Ate. Thank you so much and happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Tita Gina! Sana palagi ka nasa mabuting kalagayan, good health, at palaging masaya. We love you! Happy birthday! More blessings!
Hello, birthday girl! Happiest birthday to you, Sister Gina. As you start another year with new goals to pursue, I'm hoping that you find contentment in everything you do. Your smiles be plentiful, worries be few. Wishing you a year filled with special blessings for you. Love you, Sister Gina. Always take care. Lalo na nagda-drive ka palagi. Hatid sundo sa iyong anak. And basta, cool ka lang. Let us all be positive in life, in everything we do. Love you. Happiest birthday to you. Mwah.
Hello, Sisi Gina! Happy birthday! Hope you have a great day on your birthday. Enjoy life habang buhay pa tayo. Happy birthday to you, and God bless you and your family too. And enjoy! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Thank you. Thank you very much, Sisi, for sponsoring the game. And thank you for the blessing also. And I'm glad to meet you also as a friend, as my friend, as our beautiful ladies friend. And yeah, thank you very much. I hope we don't change, you know, because sometimes life change everything. Thank you. Happy birthday again.
Hello everyone. Ayan. Bigyan lang shoutout po sa inyong lahat. At meron po tayong isang kapatiran na babatiin natin sa kanyang kaarawan. Walang iba kundi si Sisi Gina G CCTV. Hello, Sisi Gina! Happy birthday sa'yo! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. You don't need to worry, neither to be lonely. Instead, you should be happy, for Jesus is with you today. Ayan. Thank you, Sisi Gina. Ako po'y nataos-pusong nagpapasalamat sa Panginoon at nakilala kita na very kind na kaibigan, very generous, very loving, and loyal and legit followers sa YT World. Ayan. Thank you, Sisi Gina. Ayan, ang wish ko sa iyo ay patuloy kang pagpalain ng Panginoon in all areas of your life, and may God continue to bless the desires of your heart. Ayan. And may the guidance and the protection of God be with you all the time. Ayan. God bless you, Sisi Gina. I love you. Happy birthday sa iyo once again. At huwag mong kakalimutang bumili ng cake. Unang subo for me. At sa lahat ng mga members ng Beautiful Ladies. Ayan. Thank you so much. I love you, Sisi Gina. God bless you. And God bless you all, guys. I love you all. Thank you. Bye.